And we're back to learning CSS. Let me show you two default styling options for images. Usually you want to have them somewhat responsive and in center. So we're going to set that up here using basic CSS. Let me go back to our project folder. I've got the img image folder. So I use img/ and then let us start with the pattern. It was a png, so pattern.png. I give it an alt text, and now let me fix this typo, it's pattern.png. I select the image and our CSS. To make it responsive, we use a max minus width of 100%, and we set the height to auto. Obviously it's 100%, not 100. And now it should run. And you can see I can resize this window. The image gets resized automatically up until the max height is reached. So right here. And then it stays at its current size. And this is how you can get this responsiveness. Or we also want to put it in center. It's usually something that you want to have, especially on a responsive website. To do that, we can simply set the display to block and then target the margin to left and right. If we simply set both to auto, so margin minus left, margin minus right, auto, our image will be put in center. Let me show you this with a different photo that has a different aspect ratio. I use the photography image, so photography.jpg. It takes all of the values. Well, let me get rid of the size adjustment. I want to make this a bit smaller, so I'll set the width to 500 pixels. It still stays in center. You don't have to use absolute values here. You can, for example, set the width to 50% as well. Just add height auto, and then you've got this typical effect where the image is responsive and at the same time in center. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.